Hey girl, I want to tell you about my friend, KD. We can edit that together, right? Okay. I want to sing a little song about my friend, KD. He is a man of many talents, one of which could be snowboarding. He likes to drink his Pepsi, which, let's face it, is not so Gretzky. It's simply KD. Nutritious but delicious, but not so really nutritious. The comfort food of champions, yes I say. KD, he lacks the follicles of greatness, but he has the cuticles of success. It's KD, so won't you join me in a KD Christmas this year?